Give me just 10 minutes or less, and I will show you 5 stocks you should be looking, watching, buying if possible this month of August. Hi everyone, my name is Julia. Welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I show you how to make your money work for you. This video is for educational purposes. For everything I'm going to discuss here, please make sure you do your own due diligence, do some research, be sure why you're buying stocks, know your plan, have a strategy, and make some money. So if you own none of these stocks, if you do not own any of these stocks, I don't know what you're doing. Scratch that. What I mean is there are stocks that you should have, and I think one out of all these 5 I'm going to mention should have a place in your portfolio. So if you don't own any of them, you may just be missing one of the biggest opportunities left in 2026. I mean, one of the biggest mistakes I see new investors do is thinking that the cheapest stocks are where the money is to be made. It doesn't work like that. Sometimes you may have a 5 naira stock and then you have a 500 naira stock, and somehow you think, let me just invest in this 5 naira stock. If it goes to 10 naira, I would double my money. And while you're at it, the 500 naira own will go to 600, 700, 800. And then the 5 naira own is going to 5.5, 5.7, 6 naira, and it's stuck there. So I just want you to know that knowledge is important. Having the right picks are important. Balancing your portfolio, diversification is very important. Having these 3 things I've mentioned will give you an edge, and that's why it's always good to start from knowledge. So if you ever want to understand the stock market, be able to know how to pick your stocks, know what stocks are, why you should have them, different categories where you should place them, consider joining our community VIP 9.0 before we wrap up. We have just 2 slots. It's just 65,000 naira. The link to pay is the first in the description. So let me not waste your time. Let's talk about successful investing, because it's all about owning quality businesses with strong fundamentals, growing earnings, healthy cash flow, and of course the long-term potential. So look at the all share index chart. I had to pull it up. You can see we have done so well. We got to the all-time high of 253,000, and then we dropped all the way down to 223,000. This whole dip created a new set of millionaires. This dip here back to the upside has reflected in so many stocks. Now, there are stocks that dipped that are yet to come back up. There are stocks that have made it all the way back. There are ones that have gone halfway. They are all moving at their own pace. So as we enter into this month of August, and especially now we're in the second half of the year, every serious investor who wants to play in the long term and make money should be looking at either increasing or adding these stocks into their portfolio. And without wasting time, I'm going to jump into the first one, which is the NGX. This stock has been impressive. NGX Group is the corporate company behind the Nigerian Stock Exchange. See, anytime a company gets listed, this is the company that collects money. Anytime you buy stocks or you sell stocks, this company makes money. All those fees you pay, they have a cut in it. So while the brokerage account apps are taking theirs, the NGX have their own standard commission. So they benefit from increasing trading activity and capital market growth. So if we used to have 500 people investing in the Nigerian stock market, and suddenly we have 5 million people, do you know the number of transactions people do? Remember, we have the traders and we have the investors. So the traders go in and out, and as often as they go in and out, these people are cashing out. And of course, why does it deserve a spot? First of all, it operates at the heart of the Nigerian's capital market. You should know that. And the growing investor participation means more money for them. They can never be out of money as far as the stock market is up and running. So they are going to have higher earnings. Did you see their last earnings report? Mind blowing. Go check it out. And of course, it continues to reward shareholders. They are doing profit bonus issue. They are giving interim dividends in this month. I'm going to talk about it tomorrow, because there are stocks that will be paying dividends in this August and they are part of it. You should have it on your watch list. Be able to buy it on time and make some good money. Now, in my community, I give them the exact places to buy, exact places to trim, how long to hold, and all of that. This stock is one you should have, but of course, the places you buy will always make a difference. That is why two people can have the same stock. One person will be complaining, one person does not understand why you're complaining, because the person who bought lower is still in profit even with the dip. The person who bought higher is praying for the stock to go higher to make some money. So that's my number one. Number two is Aradel, the oil and gas. I know that the hype for the IPO is here and everybody's screaming Dangote IPO refinery. See, this is one place you can move your money to if you cannot get a spot in the Dangote refinery. I'm not trying to wish you bad luck, but the hype is too much. And of course, I don't do IPOs for personal reasons. But at the same time, this is a place where you can play in, because it's one of the Nigeria's most leading indigenous energy companies, and they are operating in oil and gas production, refining, and energy infrastructure. And of course, they have strong earnings growth backed by quality assets. I love the fact that they're exposed to Nigeria's energy sector and one of the Nigerian's biggest economic drivers. When you talk about the industrial sector side and then the oil and gas, they are big economic drivers. And of course, long-term expansion performance. I love their operational performance too. That is why I have them on my list, and you should have them. Go research and do more research about them and see if it's going to make its way to your budget, into your portfolio. So the third one is GTCO. Now GTCO is currently 130 naira. This stock ran to 157 before it made its way down to 116. This was a good dip that we caught in the community. Always target. Some people jump in at the wrong times. That's why I say that the price you buy will always determine how much money you make as profit. So this particular company, I love them because it's one of the African's most respected financial institution. And remember that recently they are on the UK Stock Exchange as well as the Nigerian Stock Exchange. They are known for corporate governance, innovation, and consistent profitability. I love them for one thing. Their dividend earning is impressive. Their fundamentals are solid, consistently delivering impressive profits and numbers. They have strong history of attractive dividends. Attractive, the word there is attractive. And of course, well-managed business with multiple revenue streams beyond traditional banking. If you use GTCO or any banking stocks, you should own their stocks. If you use any of those banks, you use Zenith, GT, any of them at all, Access, Sterling, Stanbic, please own their shares. You may not own all of them, but pick like one or two, own their shares, so that all those debits you get, you should be able to recoup it from the dividends. Imagine building your portfolio and you have 100,000 shares and then they pay 10 naira. That's 1 million naira. Oh. Can you see that? And imagine if you're making this money every year. Some people don't understand that you can build gradually. You can start with your 5,000 naira, 10,000, 50,000, 1 million. Start where you are. You don't need to copy anybody, and do justice to that. Now, let me talk about the next one, Access Bank. Now, Access Bank hasn't been doing well. It's as if they are weapon fashioned against us. But I kind of see them as having an opportunity to go to the upside because they've been stalling for a while. And they had this recent jump from 22 naira up to 30 naira leap in the last 1 month. This was 2nd of July and this was 23rd of July. Less than a month, it had this jump. So this is one stock you can actually buy now, because where it is, it needs to chase and catch up with EcoBank, catch up with Zenith Bank. And even if they don't go so far, I'm looking that this stock should at least get to 50. In fact, the day they are going to break this 36 naira and get to 40, then we are on our way to the top. So this you can actually buy because it has a lot of potential. So I love their ongoing transformation. I know they didn't pay dividends and they're trying to make up for it, but we can forgive them for that. So I love the fact that they have opportunity to grow, and people may just overlook it, and money may just be hiding in this particular one. So let's talk about the last one, Chams. Chams is a Nigerian tech company that provides identity management, payment solution, digital infrastructure, and technology services. So the government uses them as one of their payment infrastructure technology services. So I love the fact that they have exposure to Nigeria's digital economy, and they are well positioned with sectors benefiting from increased digital adoption, because when governments hand they, almost every government parastatal will be using them, and that will give them a lot of money. So for me, I see them as very cheap stock at the moment. Is less than 5 naira, and it has long-term potential because it's going to shape part of the financial and public service technology services. So I want you to know that all the stocks I mentioned, you need to do more research, have your own plan. When do you buy? For how long should you hold? So there are questions you should be asking yourself. Are these companies growing? Are they making consistent profit? Have you ever taken time to look at their earnings reports and look at what they have shown? Are you investing for long term or short term? Are you copying people or chasing hype? That's some of the things you should know. And of course, if you're completely new to the stock market and you really want to learn, please come and join our community. It is 65,000 naira and it will serve you well. We do beyond Nigerian stocks, US stocks, and every other kind of stocks that investments that can help you, including building for your children. How do you create children that can become billionaires tomorrow? And of course, if you have a scattered portfolio, you don't even know what's going on with your portfolio, you can head over to the comment section, the description of this video, and you're going to see the one-on-one session, coaching session access. Click on it, make payments, and let's look at your portfolio. Some people have money, they're investing, but they are confused. They don't know if they are going forward or going backwards. It is not enough to invest. Many people are investing, but many people are not growing. So as many are investing, there are people who know what they are doing. There are people who don't know exactly what they are doing. So if you really want to get your portfolio organized, not just your Nigerian stock, organize all of them. What should you have and what you shouldn't have? Comparing it with your age, your risk tolerance, and the access to knowledge. Please sign up for that one-on-one session. It's going to help you a lot, and it will change your mindset, and you will see how you can actually build and retire early and wealthy. So I do hope you enjoyed today's video, and come on and join our community. You'll learn practical investment strategies. You'll see my thought process, what I think about companies, how I pick them, and the prices that we buy them, and what we do with them, long term or short term. So come on and join us. And of course, I hope you really enjoyed today's video. I'll see you in another video.